Welcome to UniPrint's guide on preparing design files for print. Today, we'll walk you through setting up a print-ready file in Adobe InDesign. We will cover key settings like document units, bleeds, and margins to ensure your project prints perfectly. Let's get started. First, create a new document in InDesign. Set your units and document orientation to your preference. Set margins to at least 0.25 inches to keep content safely away from edges. For print, include a bleed of at least 0.125 inches on all sides to account for trimming. Now that your document is set up, let's talk about color settings to ensure vibrant, accurate prints. For print, always use CMYK color mode, not RGB. In the swatches panel, select your colors and ensure they are set to CMYK. RGB is for digital displays and can result in unexpected color shifts when printed. Next, let's ensure your linked files are embedded before sending to UniPrint. Linked files, like images, can cause errors if not included. In InDesign, open the Links panel. Select all linked files, then click the panel menu and choose Embed Link. Now, you should be all set to export your file for print. Go to File, then Export. In the export window, select High Quality Print from the preset menu. Ensure you are exporting at 300 dpi for optimum quality. Under the Marks and Bleeds tab, check Crop Marks to include guides for trimming, and use Document Bleed Settings to include your bleeds. Save the file and you're ready to send it to the printer. Now you have a finished print-ready PDF. Notice the crop marks around the edges. These guide the printer on where to trim, ensuring no important content is cut off. This is exactly what you'll send to UniPrint for a professional result. Thanks for watching. You're now ready to prep your files for print.